Hi, I'm Jessie.
And I'm Lisa.
And we're the Lisa Abbott team. And we're back to you with another market update, this time for February. In this video, we're going to go over some important stats, talk about months of inventory, and what that means to you.
So let's jump into those stats. First of all, for Durham Region, our average price has gone up. We were just a smidge over $1 million the month before, but last month we were at 1.175 million. So just to put this into context and give you an idea, we are looking at Oshawa semis. Right now, the average price for Oshawa semi is $887,000, and our freehold townhomes are sitting at $892,000. Now, you might be wondering why a townhome is getting more money than a semi. Well, in Oshawa, our semis tend to be older, and we're starting to see a lot of newer townhomes coming up, so they're just, getting a little bit more money.
Absolutely. And for those of you who paid attention to last month's, just to give you a little bit of an update, the townhouses in Clarington did go back to right in line with where they should be. November was $715,000. December we saw the $1.385 million, but that was based on one sale, and as we predicted, corrected itself in January when there was more sales, and the average price is now $798,000. So while there was a jump, certainly not the new norm at 1.3. It was just a one-off higher end sale, and of course the only sale for that month. So right where we should be, and increasing where the other ones are too.
So right now we are experiencing low months of inventory. Oshawa is sitting at 0.5 months of inventory. So what that means, in reality is if we were to stop listing homes today, we would be out of listings in 2 weeks. Now, saying that, our months of inventory actually increased over the last couple months, where they were sitting at 0.2 and 0.3. And you would think that might make a difference in pricing, because there's more coming on the market or the price is going down. But just to give you an idea, a seller's market is under 3 months of inventory. So when you're looking at 0.5, that really is still an extreme seller's market. So, and a balanced market is where we're sitting at 4 to 6 months of inventory. And if we were to have a buyer's market, that is over 6 months of inventory. So just, the demand is still very strong, and that's why we're still seeing the prices increase, even though our months of inventory have gone up just a smidge.
Yeah, so even though the amount of listings, the number of listings that have been taken this year are equal to, on par or above previous years, we are still in such a low months of inventory because it is moving so fast, because the demand is so great.
Every year, even before COVID, we were failing to build enough homes to accommodate the growth and the demand for the new homes. And when you add the COVID restrictions and the postponed projects, that just kind of added to that. To give you an idea, we know a builder in North Oshawa whose waiting list right now is sitting at 13,000 people. And I can guarantee that the next phase isn't going to,
not building anywhere near that.
So just that kind of just adds to the problem on top of things.
Even with all of that said, the Durham region still remains the best place to purchase in the GTA in terms of price, right? Most affordable. And I mean, we could be a little bit biased, but we also think it's a great place to live.
And raise a family for sure.
We hope you found this information helpful and informative. And if you wanted to speak to Lisa or myself a little bit more about your situation, we do also have a Calendly link below that you can click and book a call with us. We'd love to hear from you.
Have a great day. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.